This is one of the best crypto signal groups on Telegram. They consistently deliver a 90% plus win rate, and their signals are super easy to follow. And best of all, you can join their public Telegram group completely free. And I actually made a video about them before, and I've still been following their signals pretty much every day. So far, the results have been really solid. This is CryptoNinjas Trading. As a disclaimer, this video is not financial advice, so be responsible with your own decisions. Thank you very much. This Crypto Ninjas trading group is ran by our trading admins Ninja Trading team on X, and this strategy mainly combines price action with ICT and smart money concepts. They trade both short-term scalps and swing setups, so there's something for different trading styles, although they're mainly trading swings for now. But strategy alone doesn't mean much. What really matters is the consistency of the results. They maintain an over 90% win rate on their trade signals, one of the highest that I've seen. And another thing that stood out to me is how professional their signals look. You get a clear chart, the exact entry, the stop loss, and take profit targets, TP1, 2, and 3. And most of the times, they're either market entries or very tight entry zones, so they're very easy to follow. And the risk per trade is usually kept just around 0.5% to 1% maximum, and the upside is insane. But what really separates them from a lot of other signal groups is what happens when a trade is open. They don't just post a signal and disappear. They constantly update the trade with messages like cancel the stop loss, move your stop loss to break even, or take partial profits at TP1, etc. So even if you're still learning, it's pretty easy to just keep up. And if you decide to take things a step further, that's where the VIP membership becomes really valuable. Because in the private trading group, you also get detailed technical analysis, live streams, Q&A, and full copy trading bot integration. Once connected, the bot automatically copies every single signal for you, so you don't have to be online 24/7. They send a lot of signals every day, so you never worry about missing opportunities. The admins monitor the market very closely and update it continuously. To join the group, just click the link down in the description and in the comments right now and follow the signals for a while and see if the style is for you. Next is the premium private group, which is obviously more exclusive. That's where you get all the premium signals, deeper market analysis, real-time updates, and full access to the copy trading bot. Right now, the price is only $99 per month, which I think is pretty reasonable compared to a lot of other premium groups, which can cost up to $200, $300 a month. And there is an even better deal if you're watching this video today, because the first 10 people who sign up through my link in the description will also get a 20% off. Overall, I've had really positive experience trading and following Crypto Ninjas trading group, and I would suggest joining the free group first, testing the signals yourself, and if you like what you see, then consider upgrading to VIP. Also, every Friday at 1400 UTC, I go live and trade alongside their signals with you guys, so feel free to come over and hang out if you want to see everything in real time. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe to Crypto Ninjas, and use our links in the description to access the trading group. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Daily out.